Hello, how are you guys? I hope you guys are doing well today. In today's lectures, I'm going to teach you about four main types of conditional sentences. These sentences are in two halves or clauses. Number one is if clause, and the other part where you can use words such as can, will, may, might, could, and would. We call it main clause. Let's get cracking and let's get started. Number first is zero conditional. Zero conditional is a structure used for talking about general truths, things which always happen under certain conditions. Note that zero conditional sentences will mean the same always true. For example, scientific facts, general truths, and so on. The structure for zero conditional sentences is in if clause we have to use present simple tense, and the same tense will be used in the main clause. So this example is about a general truth. If you heat the water to 100 degrees, it boils. So of course, it's a general truth. Therefore, we're using the the zero conditional and the present simple tense in both clauses. After that, we have first conditional. In first conditional sentence, it's a structure used for talking about possibility in the present or in the future. So the first conditional is used to talk about things which are possible in present or the future, things which may happen. For example, if you study hard, you will pass the test. The difference between first conditional and zero conditional is that in structure, that in the if clause we use present simple tense, and in the main clause we use future simple tense, right? And it talks about the possibilities in the present or in the future, something if it's possible in the future, so you go for first conditional sentences. Then second conditional sentence is a structure used for talking about an unreal situation in the present or in the future. So the second conditional is to talk about things which are unreal, not true, or not possible in the present or in the future. Things which don't or won't happen. So sometimes things are unlikely to happen. For example, if I had $1 million, I would buy a big house. So not everyone can make $1 million. So this is unreal situation. The next example is if I won the lottery, I will go to the Mars. Both the situations are unreal. Then we have the structure. The structure of the second conditional is that in the if clause we use past simple tense. In the main clause we use would, could, might. In other words, we call them the modals, right? And then we have the third conditional sentence. Third conditional is a structure used for talking about unreal situations in the past. The third conditional is used to talk about things which did not happen in the past. If your native language does not have a similar construction, you may find this a little strange, but it can be very useful. It is often used to express criticism or regret. What does that mean? Criticism or regret is that something was possible in the past, but it didn't happen, right? So therefore you're criticizing either yourself or someone else, or you regret for not doing that stuff. You were able to do that, but you didn't do that. For example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. So in this case, in the F statement, if clause, we use the past perfect tense. In the main clause, we use the modals plus past participle, would have. I hope it helps. So this was all about the conditional sentences. I hope you will use them correctly in your speaking and writing skills. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to thumbs up and share and comment below. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Have a good night.